Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Zero 40, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and from the boot options, you want to select power off. When the device turns off, hold the power button and volume up at the same time. And when we see the INFINIX logo, let go of the power button. Oh, let's try that again. There we go. Before we get taken to the recovery mode, we are stopped by this page right here, XOS, no command. So to get past this, hold the power button and press volume up while holding it. And this will then redirect you to the recovery mode. In here, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate through the menu, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options that we have access to, we have things like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android, Reboot to Bootloader, Enter Fastboot Mode, Apply Updates from SD card, Wipe Data, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off. Now there's two modes that might be just kind of weird. So we have fastboot mode and the bootloader. Something tells me that the bootloader here is also fastboot mode, but I'll check it out right now just so we can see what this actually is. And it is fastboot mode. So I'm gonna leave this. By default, you would be able to select Reboot System Now, and this would take you to Android, but because I'm in a optionless mode right now, I need to hold power button and volume down to forcibly initiate a reboot of the device, which afterwards it's also going to take me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.